Welcome to Kosher School and College. Located in a remote area, near airport Mana Cape Yan Muzafrabad. Kosher School and College is committed to providing quality education to students from PG to Class 12. Our institution boasts state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring a conducive learning environment for all. Facilities: spacious library with a vast collection of books, science labs for hands-on experiments and practical learning, computer lab with internet connectivity, academic excellence, weekly tests to assess student progress and identify areas for improvement, monthly assessments to evaluate student understanding and retention, regular parent-teacher meetings to keep parents informed about student performance. We invite applications from students seeking quality education in a supportive and nurturing environment. Admission is open for students from PG to Class 10. Experienced and qualified faculty. Personalized attention to each student. Join Kosher for a better future.